I'm here in Thailand with my friend Bobby. And Bobby and the team. Yeah, we're all forex traders. Yep. Got Bobby. You're a swing trader, aren't you, Bobby? Okay, yep. And we also got some scalpers over here and some intraday traders. Yep. We're not ICT traders, we're support and resistant traders. Ain't that right, Bobby? Bobby, say hello. Bobby will be coming to Australia for a full-on interview to work with the FX28 Live team. Ain't that right, Bobby? Yeah. Hello, boys. Say hello. Welcome aboard. Yeah. So now, guys, you have officially got the team at hand.